Tell me if this has ever happened to you. I just got a phone call from my brother. He's at the mechanic. The mechanic told him he needs to spend $5,000 to get his car fixed. And it's bullshit. If you're the car enthusiast in your family, you've gotten this phone call before. One of your loved ones is at the dealer and the dealer is saying their car is garbage and needs a ton of work. And it's usually not true. Dealers, why do you do this to people? This is why nobody trusts you, because when they bring their car in for basic work or just an inspection sticker, you hit them with that printout that says they need a new throttle body, a new transmission, new CV joints, new springs, new shocks, a new muffler, and a new air freshener. You know it's false, they know it's false, I know it's false. If you're the person getting this phone call, tell your loved one to go to an independent shop. It's not a guarantee, but they're less likely to try and screw you over. There are scammers everywhere in the car industry. But an independent shop is probably run by a member of your community, and they want to keep their reputation because they want to keep customers. All the dealer has is the brand name on the door, and you shouldn't be swayed by that. There are certain repairs that you'll have to go to the dealer for. If they need specialty tools, if they need parts that you can't get on the aftermarket, some of this stuff you're gonna have to go to the dealership. And if you've got a great dealer, give them all your business. If you trust them, if you like the service you've been getting, hell yeah, stick with them. But when my family calls me, I recommend that they go to an independent shop because they're that much less likely to get screwed over. And that's according to your big brother Bob.